Start with Bledsoe. What are you laughing at? Y'all didn't know you signed a waiver before you came out here, right? I can post anything on the internet that makes you better.
Well, it's got to be a blank screen in my case.
No. You missed the point there, Graydon. You missed the point there, Graydon. Anything that will make you better. If I have to post it to threaten you to get better, guess what? I have made my point. I'm watching you, Sonya. I'm going to tell Amy in a minute. I'm going to post Amy's video too, and then she's going to go home. Push that right hand, Paula. Oh, wait a minute. Little half step in there? We got footwork going on this court? I didn't know. I'm going to shut my camera off. We got footwork. Y'all, I thought this was the walking court. Y'all better get up and start moving. Stay on this court right here, Amy. Amy, stay on this court. Stay on this court. Come on, Graydon. Lift it, Graydon. Lift it, Graydon. Hurry up, Amy. You got 2 strokes, Amy. I'm going to shut it off. One more, Amy. Warm-up's over, girl.